YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join me in my straight pipe BMW M4. And today we're doing another POV drive. This time we're headed to a quick strike on Sunset Boulevard here in Los Angeles, California. Whole bunch of sports cars, exotic cars, supercars, hypercars even are going to be turning up to this event. Let's go ahead and strap you guys to my face and continue on with today's journey. Tell you what, even though it's early, man, this car does a good job at waking you up when you got the straight pipe and stage 2 tune. So here we are in the heart of Hollywood. We're about 3 minutes out from the location. This is the earliest I've showed up to a car meet out here in California. I mean, maybe even Michigan too. And this is Hollywood Boulevard at 6:30 a.m. Look at that, completely empty. Every time I come down here, it feels like I'm in Grand Theft Auto. And that 4 Series got broken into. No, the whole back window is shattered. Here we are pulling up. Looks like we got a spot right out front. Everybody's starting to pull up. Getting a lot of cars showing up. Coon tops. It's safe to say the E92 M3 is one of the best sounding cars ever made. Check out this McLaren. Very interesting wrap. It even has a roof scoop on the top. Look at that wing. Like they cut off the middle of it. I think I like it. Woo! M-game. And look at the exhaust on this thing. It's like quad outlet center exit exhaust. This is probably a custom fabrication job. It's pretty interesting. Ah, look at this thing up in the flesh. So apparently this thing is electric, and the owner of Bisimoto drove this here. You can even see the damn headlights are all the way down low. I mean, this thing's built like a straight race car. How this is road legal, I don't even know, but I am not mad. I mean, plexiglass, everything. Here goes a V10 M6, just like my brother's old car, almost identical. Nice to see one of these again. That Huracan sounds insane. They're popping flames out here. Check out this Maybach truck, the F8. Bruce Wayne pulling up. I almost didn't see the Ferrari because of camo. Woo! reverse cop. Damn, La Ferrari. Oh, and he's pulling in. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at the cockpit on this thing. Oh, this is a legit spaceship right here, man. I mean, look at this. I mean, it's a $4 million whip just on the street right now. That's got to be stressful. Rear engine, V12, naturally aspirated, hybrid assisted, Honda NSX, wide body. This has got to be the nicest AMG GT I've ever seen. Look at that. Nice wide body Urus, got the lights on the front. Even makes some cop noises, which is pretty funny. But check this thing out from the front. I mean, that is just nasty. So if you guys aren't familiar with these kind of events, basically there's a cruise. Start point, end point, you can get there the quickest. Obviously the safest, but essentially a mini rally. Who else gets anxiety when everybody's just parked around your whip? You can't even see my car, so many people around you. Just pulled up in this twin turbo Aventador. I think it's even an SV at that. SV right here. Look at that. Oh, that's absurd. Look at everybody throwing the Jesus. Probably the most badass car I've ever seen in my life. Straight shut down the street. Everybody wanted to hear that. Cops are gonna go crazy. I mean, this S-Class just looks so clean. All these supercars and stuff are nice, but this right here, this is what you want to be riding in on a rally like this. Shortly here, we're gonna be hopping back in the M4, getting on the road. We're gonna try and keep up with these supercars and see how the M4 does. Man down, that Countach we saw earlier is down and out. Yeah. Let's see. So you guys join us on the road. We got hella cars around us. We're in classic LA traffic right on Sunset Boulevard. Oh my God, some of these cars sound absolutely insane. I mean, we have a Murcielago right there. Really loud yellow Huracan right there. Oh my God, look at the flames. Oh, oh my God, in broad daylight. Oh man. Oh my. Oh man. You know, I gotta say, this is straight. This is straight out of Fast and Furious. Straight out of a movie or video game. Here we go. Yeah. We're definitely amongst the louder group of cars here today. So we're working our way to the front of the group just to see what more cars are ahead of us in case there's some that we missed. There goes that F8. But that G80 sounds absolutely wicked. That's got to be fully catalyst, fully straight pipe, nothing. I will say the BMWs and AMGs are out here whipping today. Let Mercy go. Oh, first cop. Is he gonna bust a Yui? No, he's not. Yeah. God, that E92 behind me sounds insane. So we're gonna let some of these supercars catch up, and then we're gonna try and keep up with them. Listen to that! Oh my, I have goosebumps and chills right now. This is absurd. Oh, SLS. Beautiful gold wing. Those have skyrocketed in value. Caught up in traffic just that fast. I mean, literally 2 minutes of ripping and we're in LA traffic. That's what happens in SoCal. That's what you can expect.